Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use data import wizard in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here in your Salesforce, you will need just to go to your setup menu by clicking on this icon, setup, and after that, we need just to search for wizard. So here, let's just type data import and then we can find our data import wizard. By clicking on it, we will be able to start using it. So from here, we can find the status, object, records, etc. So now we need just to launch the wizard so we can start importing our data. So from here, you will need just to choose what uh, objects are you importing. So either it will be account in contacts, and from here you will need to choose if you want to update the existing records or to add new. For example, we can click on add new, and also you can match the contacts but some criteria or just leave it as it is. And after that, here you will need just to define what type of data that you are importing. So if you are going to import from an CSV or an Outlook CSV, etc. So here let's choose an image, a normal CSV, and here you can choose the encoding. And after that, you will need just to choose any CSV file that concern your important. After that, you will need just to click on next. And basically by clicking on next, you will have the edit mapping. If you want to add some columns and to choose what columns are in your CSV, for example, it is name, number, phone number, email, etc., or it will be the opposite or whatever else. After that, you will have to simply start importing by clicking on complete or start, and you will have the wizard that will start importing. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.